and we have really been looking at autobiography today. That's my main focus. In the seminar, we were actually given a really interesting exercise where we were given us an A3 sheet. I've got mine here, and we were asked to write an autobiography, like along. We had to write a timeline of our lives basically, because that's something that Gaza had done, and in it we had to put on the top of the line, above the line, positive things that have happened in our lives, and underneath the line, negative things that have happened in our lives. We didn't have to write it in chronological order, we didn't have to write it down in chronological order, but we had to have it down in chronological order at the end. So that was really interesting because it showed us as the readers of autobiography that we don't remember things chronologically. Like, I was able to write down things that had happened 15 years ago, and then I was also able to write down things that happened 6 years ago, but I couldn't do it in order. I had to write different things came down as they came to my head, which was interesting. And also the other thing we learned is that a lot of it's negative. Most things I remember about my life has been really negative, which isn't the nicest thing to know, but it's also really interesting because it tells us why autobiographies are as they are. Another reason for doing that is because one of the theories talks about how autobiography is fiction. You cannot write a true autobiography, and it's true in a way, and it's really helped me understand what that's going on about. So I think it was a really helpful exercise for me, at least, by myself, if no one else, in helping me figure out what's going on in autobiography and what the whole module's about. Because originally I thought we were just going to be reading things like Miranda Hart's autobiography, and I'm a bit disappointed we're not. But at the same time, it's been really helpful and it's really interesting. So yeah, and so we come away and we have to write our own autobiography, and we've also got to write a biography of ourselves. So basically the difference is autobiography, biography. I'm going to be writing from different sectors, which I think is going to be another really interesting exercise for me. And again, it's to help us understand what autobiographers do when they write their own autobiography. How many times have I just said autobiography? Probably too many. So that's going to be really interesting. Collecting my thoughts, 2 seconds. Autobiography, interesting. Right, anyway. Yeah, we've only been given 300 words for that, so altogether, which is going to be really difficult, I feel. And it's also going to tell me a lot. And I'm really excited to do it, actually, so I think I'm going to do that once I come away from this. I'll let you know how it goes. Learning by collaboration. So yeah, that was learning by practice, I would suggest, because it's an exercise and we've got to apply. Well, it's helping us understand the concepts, really. It's not applying the concepts, it's understanding it. It's been really helpful. Yes, because of the short lectures, I find I'm doing really short work, because at the moment I'm doing a lot of the same things. I mean, it's all if I'm not in a lecture, I'm annotating reading, which is really what English is. But I think it'll come to be more interesting soon because I've got to start writing my assignments. So hopefully in a few weeks it will get much more interesting and it won't be so repetitive, because at the moment I feel like I am really repeating myself all of the time.